Hi everyone, it's Ara and welcome to gmailfiend. So for today's video, I'll be showing you where you can find your recently deleted emails. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so for example, I'll be deleting this email and click delete. And as you can see, it says here the conversation moved to trash. And here you can't see the trash folder unless you click more. So once you click more, you can see here the trash folder, and then once you click the trash folder, you can see all the emails that you have deleted within 30 days. So as you can see, it says here that messages that have been in trash more than 30 days will be automatically deleted. Here you can also choose to empty your trash down and also just select all so that you can delete forever all the emails or marked emails. So we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below. And also don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video. Happy New Year!